Because of its position on the southeastern portion of the European continent, Romania has a climate which ranges from temperate to continental. Climatic conditions are somewhat modified by the country's varied topography. The Carpathians serve as a barrier to Atlantic air masses, limiting their oceanic influences to the western center of the country, which have milder winters and heavier rainfalls as a result. The mountains also block the continental influences of the vast plain to the north in the Ukraine, which results in frosty winters and less rain to the south and southeast. In the extreme southeast, Black Sea influences offer a milder, maritime climate. The average annual temperature is 11 degrees Celsius in the south and middle south and 8 degrees Celsius in northeast. In Bucharest, the temperature ranges from average low -5 degrees Celsius in January to average high 29 degrees Celsius in July and August, with average temperatures of -3 degrees Celsius in January and 23 degrees Celsius in July and August. Rainfall, although adequate throughout the country, decreases from west to east and from mountains to plains. Some mountainous areas receive more than 1,010 mm of precipitation each year. Annual precipitation averages about 635 mm in central Transylvania, 521 mm at IASI in Moldavia, and only 381 mm at Constanța on the Black Sea. Owing to its distance from the open sea, Romania has a continental climate. Summers are generally very warm to hot, with average maxima in Bucharest being around 29 degrees Celsius, with temperatures over 35 degrees Celsius not unknown in the lower-lying areas of the country. Minima in Bucharest and other lower-lying areas are around 18 degrees Celsius, but at higher altitudes both maxima and minima decline considerably. Winters are quite cold, with average highs even in low-lying areas being no more than 3 degrees Celsius and below -15 degrees Celsius in the highest mountains, where some areas of permafrost occur on the highest peaks. Precipitation is generally modest, averaging over 750 mm only on the highest western mountains, much of it falling as snow, which allows for an extensive skiing industry. In the delta of the Danube, rainfall is very low, averaging only around 370 mm per year, whilst in the more westerly lowland like Bucharest it is around 530 mm. Records. The absolute minimum temperature was -38.5 degrees Celsius, registered near Brasov in 1942. The absolute maximum temperature was 44.5 degrees Celsius, recorded at Ion-Sion, Brăila County in 1951. White Christmas in Romania. Averages and records by city.